Hey, Bruce here, the 5-Minute Handyman. Doing a bathroom remodel, and I wanted to show you the progress after just about 8 hours of work. So let's take a look at some of the hardware and we'll talk about it. So here's where we're at so far. We've got the sheetrock removed off to the ceiling. We're going to work on that tomorrow. I've got a piece of conduit here that has an electrical wire in it, and we'll need to reroute that into the wall. We also need to take off this 2x4 here because we're going to go just straight across with our wall. Here's our plumbing from the old tub location. You can see there's some mold that's on the sheetrock on the other side for the other bathroom. That's going to end up coming off, and we will put all new sheetrock in here. I did uncover an issue, and I wanted to show you what it is. It looks like at some point we had termites in here, and this is a very fragile, light piece of wood which the termites have almost fully devoured. And interesting the way that they eat the wood. They eat the in between the grain lines. But I want to show you how you can tell if you have termites in an area. Now, along the side here, it looks like there's a little bit of dirt or dust or stuff here. Looks like maybe some sand or something. What termites like to do is they like to make a tunnel and travel up inside of that tunnel. And so the termites came up in here. They took their liberties with the wood up here. There was also along this edge, there was a wall here, and another 2x4 was here. Actually, this 2x4 was here like this. And so right in the corner, right in here, is where there was another pathway that the termites traveled up. And what I did notice was when I was in the crawl space, the pipe, this is the vent pipe for the toilet. There's a toilet right around on this side, and there was a toilet over here. And the pipe that went into the ground, because the septic system is out the back of the house that way, there was a dirt trail going up the pipe that was in the crawl space. And so that's how they got up to this level, and then they just kind of moved around and kept eating wood. And you can see again there's another trail that they took up. And so the toilet on the other side of the wall, which is, here's a supply line for that, that was leaking, and so everything was wet here, and so that wet environment is what the termites like to have. And so what you can do is when you look at your foundation, both on the inside and the outside, you look for these pathways, and that'll tell you if you have termites. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out all the lumber that is affected like this and replace it with new stuff. Do a very thorough spraying and make sure that all of the termites are killed. So this is where we're at for today. This is where the tub used to be. So now our tub is going to go from here over to just about this area here. So our tub is going to be here, toilet will be here, and vanity will be here. So that's where we're at for today.